Welcome to the Sawmill, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we're going to knock out 2 white pine logs today. They're both 10 feet 6. I'm cutting 3/4 inch by 7 inch boards. That's got a chip out of it. So let's see, what do we have here? 13. Let's call it 14 and a half. So we'll call it 14. So we can get 10 plus 3 and a half. We're going to get about 11 inch, close to, we're going to shoot for 11 inch camp. It's going to be hard. So then I'll bring it down 3/4 of an inch in each direction to get to 7. And then we'll trim those 3/4 inch boards that are full flitches into 1x7s. Let's see. We got the a stellite band on here that has 1 log on it. I actually broke one the other day. I was really shocked. It's only had a few logs on it and it broke. But talked to Norwood and, you know, they're aware of it. So anyhow, let's get this cut up. I'll give you some different angle views. Oh, also I have setworks on this now. You may have watched some of the other videos in this, but we have a setworks SW350 Pro from Lytus, Lyuts, I believe is how you spell the name of it. Again, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get this and a code for if you want to buy one of these. All right, here we go. No more talking. This is going to be a quick intro. Sometimes I get to rambling, as you all know. If you've never cut white pine, it's really sticky at times, especially where there's knots. I did cut some knots off this yesterday, so I'll try not to lean against it. The ends are always sticky right after you cut them down. Just got to keep that in mind. In fact, I've been cutting, it's not bad now, but I had stuff all over my arms and on my shirts and my pants. I don't know if my wife can get that out in the laundry or not. She's a genius when it comes to that stuff. She probably can. Same thing here, 3/4 inch boards, 1x7s. Let's see how big this log is. 15 and a half, 16 and a half, 1 inch difference. Everything's running well in that blade, that Starlight band. It feels really good. Cutting really nice. five, 26. Started out kind of sunny and looks like it's supposed to get some rain today, and we need it. Drier than a popcorn fart around here. 26 of these, 3/4, and then we got 2 4-inch boards out of it. Out of those 2 logs, 7-inch board. Boy, a lot of bugs out here. So we're gonna get these stacked up. He's coming over probably tomorrow to sticker these, so I got to cut him some stickers. I just thought about that. Maybe I'll do that later this afternoon. I'm going to take a break now, but that'll do it, guys. Hopefully you like the content. Smash that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment. I like interacting with you guys, and it also helps the YouTube algorithm letting know people like this video and are out there watching it, and it'll push it to more people. And share it with a friend if you really like it. Okay, take care. We'll see you next time.